Good morning, and in today's Fantasy Friday we're having a look at the Warlord Games Konflikt 47 US Firefly sprue. So we'll start at the top and work down, I suppose. So we get a handful of heads, helmeted, please excuse the Wookiees, helmeted with gas masks, just gas masks, and bareheaded. So we then get the new augmented Thompson machine guns, which have been augmented with Rift Tech, and the World War I BAR still in service, but along with single shot missile launchers or anti-tank weapons. We then get 6 of the jump packs, and then we get 3 torsos, 3 sets of legs stepping on high terrain, and 3 sets of grounded legs. So, and then we get what we have here, some more Australian troops. We get a full torsoed figure, well, a full figure, just in the arms, and then we get 2 kneeling or crouching figures. Flip it now. 2 more of the Thompsons, BAR, and the missile system, a flamethrower, and then some NCO equipment, the pistol, binoculars, map, hand grenade, another law, well, I keep wanting to say law, but it's not a law anti-tank weapon, they've created their own name for it, knife, flare pistol, shoulder pads, some more belt kit, hands making various gestures, and some more belt kit, and grenades, and missiles for the one-shot missile launcher, which doesn't really make sense. So, great little kit. Let's see what it looks like made up. And the question you're all asking is, yes, these models will work as Elysium Drop Troops for Imperial Guard, Astra Militarium, or whatever you want to call them, in games of 40k. See here, size-wise, pretty much the same as the Krieg Commissar. So, get over to Warlord Games and get buying.